Hello everyone, welcome to MK and today I'm here with an interesting video about how do BMW cars are manufactured. We know BMW is the most luxury and the sport car in ever, but how it is manufactured? Let's see in this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to MK and press the bell symbol for the most updates from my channel. So yep, this is the latest car news that I get it that BMW manufactures like Rolls-Royce, but it's been not main powerfully. It's an electronic operated manufacturing car plant, and it's located at Germany. So Germany is the most producing plant of for BMW because it's the mother country from origin where the BMW gets origin over there. Laser cutting is famous with the BMW because just see it. The laser just cuts out the metal in a perfect shape and for the perfect conditions to be assembled in the car. And next the car has been moved on to other minute part manufacturing and then has been placed and fixed inside the car. It all run by robotic. All the manufactured glues are fixed here, for fixing the roof or the sunroof glasses or the main front glasses or the rear and side glasses. The glues have been applied to the car to fix that. Then after that the glass have been fixed inside the car when the frame is fully polished and then waved to be ready for painting. So the glass is not yet fixed, but it should be painted before the glass is fixed, because after once the glass is fixed we can't able to paint the car. The glass just occupies almost the paint. So there's a cutting there over the sunroof. The roof is fixed right now, yes. So this is the manufacturing of the electronical systems of the BMW, where the mirrors opens and close. The electronic systems has been manufactured over here. The electronic systems on the BMW like key movement and the key or wireless key car moving like that. So like that the electronic systems have BMW as well known, and they manufactured almost like everything. So this is a high-tech car. We know BMW now has the BMW iX and the iX1 or the most electric features vehicle, so that has to be having with high-tech features of cars manufacturing. But the electronical system is really important, like ADA is. And here comes the engine. So this is an V8 or V6, comes in turbo, gasoline as well as diesel. So diesel not be preferable with BMW because BMW is a sport car. The engine just started testing there by the missions. It just moved faster. Yeah, that's really needed because it's needed to be an important to test an engine while the manufacturing. Even Bugatti does that. Bugatti just takes the engine from the Volkswagen, where the Volkswagen manufactures the engine for Bugatti, but here BMW itself manufactures it. And our most waiting section, the car has been gone to the painting section. The paint's just now it's a gray, I think. So yeah, it's the gray, but it seems like black. But once I after paint it, it's gray. So the BMW cars have been known for the blue color because the BMW's logo just comes with blue, white, and blue and white. So that's the blue is really a needed one. But right now BMW are providing more unusual colors like green, orange, like that. But till the gray is a standard feature. As I told, this is a gray one that I've been to see. The previous car is also a gray. A smooth texture of paint has been BMW's formula to be a success. The car is still smooth even before manufacturing. Yeah, this is the BMW iX. Once the car is finished, the car has been tested each and every part. Even the wipers, everything is tested, and the clearance of the paint. So that's really important. So next, our car, the BMW 7 Series or whatever it is, the X7. The engine has been placed inside. Okay, so the engine is placed inside, so it sits quietly inside. Even the bonnet has an insulation of heat protection, and this has a coolant of power coolant, which the boiling hot temperature from the engine has been taken out and pushed towards the exhaust or the front pipes. Even the worker just fixes the plastic parts from the car. Almost the car is ready, and the fuel mirrors and everything will be tested as usual like other car brands do. Here the grill has been fixed, the headlights, brakes, disc, everything has been fixed. The disc is now in blue color because, as I told, blue is really important here. So once the car is finished, the car is ready now to travel. Thanks for watching guys, and please subscribe to MK Torrent for more videos for new car updates.